Hello everyone, welcome back to our second FastAPI class. In the last class, we learned what FastAPI is and why it is so good choice for building APIs. Today, we will learn what are request methods like getArghost, how to create routes in FastAPI, simple example of how to send and receive data we will see in this class. These things help us to connect frontend and backend and allows user to get or send information like login, sign up or showing a product list. So what is route in FastAPI? A route is nothing but is a path or link to access data or run a function. For example, if you go to www.example.com/products, you are using a route to get product data. In FastAPI, we create routes using functions and decorators. So in this given example, you see this is the route with the help of HTTP method get. So route is nothing but is a path or link. This is a path or link to access data or run a function. What is route? Route is a path or link to access data or run a function. And let's see what are request methods in FastAPI. In FastAPI, there are different types of action or request methods the users or apps want to perform. In FastAPI, we have get, as you see, this is a get, this is a HTTP function. These are types of action user or apps want to perform. In this type of action, user are going to get or read data like see a user here. When this FastAPI will run using this method, action method, the user will see in response hello world. So in FastAPI there are different type of request methods. The first one is get. The example is showing to you. The get method to get or read data like we see in Amazon to see a user list or get a product of list. And the next one is post. The post to send or create new data like register a user. And the next request method in FastAPI is put. To update existing data, for example, if user name is likes Ali and they want to update a name from Ali to Ali Khan or something else, so that time the put method will be used. The next one is delete. The request method of FastAPI is delete. To delete a data. So today we will focus on get or post only. Don't take action. We will cover each and everything. If any doubt till now, please comment it. I am here to understand you each and everything related to FastAPI. So let's create a simple get request method. As you see, we already created. I'm going to create another method add dot get about. Get about. So this will return the message info this is the about page. So as you see here, the at the rate app dot get, basically this is the decorator in Python, means when someone visits the root path, this is the root path of our app, this is the root path of our app. When someone visits this app, when our FastAPI will run, this host name and port will be we will get. So when the user visit this will see message hello world, and when the user will visit the about of our app section, that time this will see in response info, this is about page. Here as you see, we have return. Basically the return method here sends data back as a JSON response, and this is basically a dictionary, and inside this dictionary we have a key and value. In dictionary in Python we have key value pair. So let's run this our app. First of all, I am going to activate my virtual environment. cd virtual environment, cd script activate, go back, cls clear. So ubicon to run FastAPI app using this command, ubicon app name is class-2, then app reload. Run this, you will see our app is running on 8000 and the IP address is 127.0.0.1. So follow this link.